tryna holler.
You got that paint on my real swag about you.
What's poppin', you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Being Ambitious, and as always, if you are new to my channel, what's poppin', sis? Look around. Tell me if you like things. You like that, girl? Subscribe. Like that video. Share that video. And to all my oldies, thank you guys so much for continuing to rock with me. I know I have not uploaded in like over a month. I'm feeling scandalous, girl. And I love this top. I'm feeling scandalous. But this video is not about this top. This video is about this eye look, this makeup look. I'm getting ready to go out with some of my friends, and I decided to do a smoky black eye look. And I say, you know what, we gotta record this. We gotta get it to my girls out there, because this was literally so easy look. 3 shades, a transition, a crease, and a lid, and some glitter, and you look like you really did something. You really did. You know what I'm saying? And that's all we're about over here. Making, you know, looking bomb, but really you ain't did too much. I'm not gonna continue rambling and all that. If you are interested in seeing how I got this smoky eye look, then just stay tuned. All right, girl, let me adjust this bonnet. I know y'all tired of seeing this black robe. I will eventually get another one. Anyway, so I'm going to prep my skin with the e.l.f. Booster Drops first. And then I will be applying the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business as my main primer. And then I'm going to apply the Rimmel Stay Matte primer, mattifying primer in my T-zone area. And I've already did my brows off camera. If you need a tutorial on that, I will link it above me. I'm going to be basing my lids with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. Absolutely love this, you guys. It's literally in comparison to the P. Louise base. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer brush, and I will be just blending this all out on my eyelids. Moving right along, taking my Juvia's Place 2, the Nubian 2 palette, and my Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to dig into this shade, like a brown shade. It's called, I don't even know what it's called. I should get my palette so y'all know what the name of that brown is, huh? Hold on, I'm going to go get it. That's the name of it. Okay, girl, so it's called, Madagascar. My bad, girl. So yeah, I'm going to be just blending this out, and this is going to be my transition shade. So taking my Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to be digging into the shade called Morocco. And I'm going to be putting that directly into my crease and just blending it on out. So taking this Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to be using this as my base. And I'm going to apply this deep black to my lid. And I'm going to be using my Morphe 213 brush to apply this. And then eventually I use the Morphe M432 brush, because the M213 is really small, but the M432 is actually a little bit bigger. So it just helps me apply the gel just faster. See, yeah, I'm switching right now to the M432 brush. I'm switching over, and when you're applying the base lid, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's literally, it can be sloppy. Like I said, this is just the base. Going into Old Faithful, my Jaclyn Hill palette, I will be taking the black from this shade, and I'm using this on my e.l.f. flat top brush. Girl, I have got to get a new flat top brush, because this one has had it. But anyway, I'm going to be just placing that right where I placed that Maybelline gel eyeliner. And then now I'm going to be going back into my Morphe M573, digging right back into that shade. And I'm going to be just smoking out my eye. So once you get the base lid down, this is when you go back in and smoke it out. And I'm going to be using that brown. And right now I'm going to just go right back in and use that orange. Now I'm just showing you guys how I just smoked it out in comparison to the unsmoked out eye. So I'm using the NYX glitter primer back on my Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going to be placing that glitter primer right on my eyelid. And I low-key use like too much glue, and I'm sorry that it's unfocused right now, but like every time I apply glitter to my eye, I get really nervous. Even though like I have the actual eye glitter, I still get nervous because I don't want to get any in my eye. So now I'm taking that same Morphe M432 brush. I'm going to be slowly placing this black glitter right on top of that lid. It's out of focus again. Girl, I was nervous, so I had to get close to the mirror, like, so that, you know what I'm saying, I didn't want to, like, mess up. But, yeah, so I'm going to be just taking my time. This looks like it's going fast, but I'm really, like, going slow because I take a few layers. You don't want to, like, pile too much glitter on at one time. That's how you get a lot of fallout. So when I got through this look, I didn't have a lot of fallout of glitter because I took my time. So, yeah, take your time. And again, it's out of focus. My bad. I'm sorry. There we go. Now we back in focus. All right, so taking my NYX concealer palette, I'm going to be digging into that orange. And I will just be placing this all over my dark spots on my face to color correct. And now, using my favorite sponge by Real Techniques, I'm going to be just blending out everywhere where I placed that orange concealer at. And this blender is damp. You never want to go on your face with like a dry beauty blender of any sort. I just don't feel like it gets the job done as well. And I used to make that mistake of like using dry blenders, but now, girl, when you know better, say it with me. You do better, all right? Amen. Come on now, church. So now I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 355. This is actually my first time using this shade on my channel. But this is the Superstay Matte Foundation. I'm going to be taking this on a Real Techniques foundation brush and just blending this out all into my skin. And this shade does oxidize, so that's the good thing about it. Girl, I really got Oompa Loompa vibes going on right now. But anyway, going into my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shades C12 and C13, I will be taking this to highlight my face. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing a more detailed highlight and contour video for beginners, of course. I definitely feel like I've gotten a little bit better with my highlighting and contouring. I like the way that I shape my face, so if you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments. Right now, I'm taking the first step of highlighting my face, which is just blending out my concealer with the Makeup Revolution concealer brush. And then I will go in with the diamond sponge and blend it out completely. Because when you're doing that highlighting, you gotta make sure it's blend. You gotta. And using my favorite setting powder, the Black Opal setting powder, on my Real Techniques setting brush, I'm going to be just setting everywhere that I highlighted. And I love this brush because it helps me to not over bake. And I've definitely been a victim of like oversetting my face with too much powder. But I found that once using this brush, applying a light layer of powder everywhere I highlighted, and then going back in once or twice with the sponge, with a damp sponge at that. It helps to not over bake, and I won't be so powdery. Wait, girl, look, I know you like B. What you doing? It's the middle of the video. Listen. We gotta do a giveaway in the middle of the video so the people who really don't rock with me don't really get access to this giveaway. I'm trying to help you out, girl. So anyway, this is how you guys have to enter into my giveaway. First thing you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. I will know if you're not subscribed. Make sure that you like this video. And last but not least, leave in the comments. Don't be so discreet like, yeah, this is my giveaway comment. I don't want nobody else to know this is a giveaway, all right? So in the comments, leave me, if you know me, you know what I'm about to say. Leave me some of your favorite Drake lyrics, but make it, you know, don't make it so obvious that you're dropping the boy lyric. You don't know this, that Drake is my favorite artist. So in the comments, make sure that you leave me your favorite Drake lyric. So the good thing about it is that you get the more chances that you enter your comments. You know, Drake got a trillion lyrics that you can use, so that the more that you comment, the more chance that you get to win two things here. The first thing that I have is trying to make sure I got the name right, the 9C Jewel palette by Morphe. It's absolutely beautiful, and this light isn't doing it any justice, but it is an absolutely beautiful palette. You get the chance to win this. It has a really great mirror here. You guys can see me, I'm in the nude. Really beautiful colors, so you have the chance to win this. And you also have the chance to win this strobe highlighter by Makeup Revolution. And trying to make sure I got it open. Yeah, really beautiful highlighter. So if you're interested in this highlighter and this palette, you can win them both. Like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and you know, just kind of in the comments leave me your favorite Drake lyrics. I'm just saying. And again, I'm gonna say, the more comments that you leave, the better chance that you have to win this palette and this highlighter. So get to it, sis. Now let's get back to the video. So now I'm going back in with this beauty sponge by Real Techniques and just adding another layer, shall I say, of powder to everywhere that I highlight. Now using the concealer by LA Girl. I don't know the name of this shade, but I'm never using it again. Like, it was almost a little bit too neutral for me. I kind of like my concealers, or my contour, I'm sorry, to be a little red underneath, and this one was kind of a little too neutral for me. So maybe I need to up a shade, but this wasn't a shade for me, but it turned out all right. But anyway, I'm going to be just blending it out on my e.l.f. stippling brush. This is my favorite brush. My favorite brushes are like the e.l.f. stippling brush, the e.l.f. contour brush. Like, e.l.f. really got some bomb brushes, and it gets the job done. See, this is giving me like, right in this process, it was giving me like muddy vibes. But like I said, I like the way it turned out. But I like my contour to be red. And this one was just giving me a little... It was just too neutral for my liking. But, you know, it turned out all right. You know, we can always finesse a look. All right? If we can't do nothing else over here, we're going to finesse a look. And that's on that. And that's on period. Period. So I was able to fix it because I'm applying this CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer, and it has the red undertone that I like. So I'm just going to be applying that on top of everywhere that I contour with the cream concealer, just to set it. And of course, I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush, which is one of my favorite brushes ever, because it gets right in the hollows of my cheeks, and it gets everywhere that I need to be set. And I'm going to just use a little black opal powder to clean up where I messed up. And I'm going to go into the NYX No Filter foundation and a e.l.f. flat top brush, which is also another favorite brush of mine. And I'm going to set my face with this MAC Plus. Add a little bit of blush. And I think this is in the shade Berry. This blush is by Maybelline. We're going to go back in and focus on our eyes. I will be tight lining my eyes with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner that I used as a base earlier. I don't know the number of these lashes off the bat, but they're from AliExpress. And I'm going to just be going in with this brush from Morphe and adding that brown, which I said the color earlier, right? So I should remember. Let me get the palette. Let me see. I'm struggling, girl. All right, so that brown is Madagascar. I'm sorry. And I'm going to go back in with the orange, which is Morocco. And I'm going to just add that. And like getting the color under your eyes to show is like something that I'm working on. And what I've been doing is every color that I use on my lid, I use on my waterline. And that is what's really helping me to like actually see the color. Because I love the payout of how my under eyes turned out from going in and doing every single color that I did on my lid. I go in and do on my waterline. And it works. And then also a tiny brush. So I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, add the last shade, which is this black, to give me that ultra smoky effect to my eye. Oh, I'm tripping. I could have told y'all the brush, huh? I didn't even tell you. So this is the Morphe E63 brush that I'm using to do this. Girl, I'm tripping. Alright, so that is the final eye look. And I'm going to be using this Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. One of my favorites. I love to use it if I'm like going out because you know you're going to be a little sweaty. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter and the Wet n Wild Highlighting Powder. Come on, highlight. Give it to the people. Let's go, nose. All right, brow. Girl, I remember I used to put that glitter up there like, oh, I need to do some videos of like how I used to do my makeup. Tragic. All right, so I'm using the NYX Cafe Lip Liner to line up my lips. And you see it's almost gone because it's literally my favorite lip liner because it matches my skin tone so well. Love this lip liner. And then I'm going to go in, of course, with my favorite red lippy of all time by Love Creed in the shade Heartbreak. Taking my time with this. And I'm going to take a little bit of this foundation on a tiny brush by Morphe and just fix up everywhere where that red lip is. And that is the finished look, you guys. Slay, sis. Yes, hair pop. Come on, B. Let's go. All right, you guys, so I hope that you got something out of this very quick, very easy smoky black eye tutorial with a pop of glitter, you know, to make things really just shake up and all that. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and please share this video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. And if you have gotten to this point, sis, just like we say always on this channel, if you like the vibes, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your cousin to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.